Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Do you love white cheddar cheese as much as I do? Then you will love Healthier Choices organic white cheddar cheese powder. My favorite snack to make is white cheddar cheese popcorn, and I love that I only need to use 1 tablespoon of this cheddar cheese powder, and the flavor is magnificent. I pretty much can eat this whole bowl by myself, but sometimes I share it with friends. And this evening, they were so blown away at how yummy this cheddar cheese powder made our popcorn snack. I like that it comes in a resealable bag because I can have the powder on hand to enhance any meal that I want. It's very fine and light, and the impact with that amazing cheddar cheese taste just blows my meals away. I use it in everything: mashed potatoes, my omelets, and on my vegetables. I love that I could eat without hesitation. It's good to the last drop. I hope you have as much fun with Healthier Comforts white cheddar cheese as I have. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.